Today in this video, we're going to talk about brushing the glue nozzle. As part of our daily maintenance on the Holz-Her Edgebanders. It's fast and easy to do, so come along and I'll show you how. Brushing the glue nozzle is a daily maintenance. It should be done at the end of the day while the glue is still hot. First thing we need to do is raise the beam open to the maximum position. If you have a machine with the crank handle, you need to raise it up clockwise to the top. Then press the emergency stop. By the way, if you have a machine with an axis motor for your beam, that's very simple as well. Go to your beam, go to your axis page, and press the plus button and to raise the beam. Once the beam is at the top, press your E-stop. Now we can brush the nozzle. We'll brush the nozzle from left to right. We'll start from the top, go down to the bottom, until all of the glue is cleared out of the grooves of the nozzle. And that's all we have to do for brushing the nozzle. Now we're also going to talk about oiling the metering rod. Now we're on the back side of the machine at the glue station. We're going to use 10W30 motor oil. This is sufficient for the application. We only need a small amount. So I'm going to use my screwdriver, dip it in, grab a few drops, touch to the metering rod, and that'll wick the oil around and sufficiently lubricate it. That'll keep the machine running great for years to come. Hi, if you like what you saw in that video, please subscribe. We add to our content every week.